What if I told you there was a luxury island where billionaires, world leaders, and celebrities gathered, but behind the glamour, investigators uncovered one of the darkest scandals in modern history? A private jet nicknamed the Lolita Express, secret guest lists, mysterious underground tunnels, and a billionaire who died inside one of America's most secure prisons under highly suspicious circumstances. Was it suicide, or was he silenced forever? This is the disturbing story of Jeffrey Epstein, the secret island, and the powerful names still surrounded by unanswered questions. This is the infamous island known as Little St. James, also called Epstein Island. This 72-acre island had almost every luxury imaginable. From luxury resorts to private docks, and from libraries to cinemas, everything was available here. Many of the world's most influential personalities used to visit this island. But the truth is that behind parties and vacations, underage girls were allegedly exploited here. Reports suggest that underground tunnels were also built on this island. It is believed that these tunnels were created for a specific purpose, either for the staff to move around without being noticed by guests or as escape routes for elite visitors. The people who suffered because of this place were young girls and their parents. However, hearing the names of the powerful individuals involved discouraged anyone from speaking against them, at least for many years. But in March 2005, this entire story began to unfold when a girl named Courtney Wild bravely filed the first complaint against Jeffrey Epstein at the Palm Beach police station in Florida. The investigation by police, FBI, and other agencies uncovered shocking evidence. This included names of important personalities, inappropriate photos, and flight logs of trips to Epstein Island. These documents later became known as the Epstein Files. But the question remains, who was Jeffrey Epstein? Where did he get so much money from? How did he build connections with the world's most powerful people? Besides secret tunnels, what else did the FBI find on the island? And most importantly, when Epstein died in a highly secure jail, was the failure of CCTV cameras a coincidence or something more sinister? Jeffrey Epstein started as an ordinary math teacher who eventually became one of the world's most mysterious, wealthy individuals. In 1970, he began working at Dalton School, but his real rise happened on Wall Street. He gained the trust of billionaires like Victoria's Secret owner Leslie Wexner and began managing their wealth. Through commissions worth millions of dollars and elite social connections, Epstein built a kingdom of luxury mansions from New York to Florida. However, behind this glamorous world was a dark secret. Using his power and money, Epstein allegedly targeted innocent underage girls. To the world, he was a billionaire, but in reality, he was accused of being a dangerous criminal. Epstein owned Manhattan's largest private mansion, a 75,000-acre ranch in New Mexico, and luxury apartments in Paris. But his true empire was his 72-acre Caribbean island, Little St. James, also known as Epstein Island. Epstein used his private jet to travel to the island, which media later called the Lolita Express. Allegedly, famous and influential personalities visited the island, and underage girls were targeted there. Bill Clinton reportedly flew 26 times on Epstein's private jet, including international tours. Donald Trump was also Epstein's neighbor and friend during the 1990s, though later they became enemies. Trump claimed he never visited the island. The biggest shock came to the British royal family. Prince Andrew was accused of abusing 17-year-old Virginia Giuffre at Epstein's direction. A photograph of Prince Andrew with Virginia went viral worldwide. As a result, Prince Andrew stepped down from royal duties, paid a multi-million-dollar settlement, and later lost his royal title. From Bill Gates to Hollywood stars, many influential figures were part of Epstein's social circle. The FBI found CDs and photographs at Epstein's residence, raising suspicions that he might have used them for blackmail. However, authorities have not confirmed any official client list. Epstein's crimes first came to light in 2005 when Courtney Wild gave testimony against him. Investigations revealed that Epstein had exploited dozens of underage girls. However, in 2008, instead of receiving a life sentence, Epstein made a secret deal with U.S. Attorney Alexander Acosta. Victims were kept uninformed, and Epstein received only 18 months in prison, with special privileges allowing him to work during the day and return to jail at night. He was released after serving only 13 months,